Hey guys, welcome to watch today's Aris talk. I made a video about a CULT.DAO yesterday, and today I spent a few hours to research about this project. I think you should definitely put this project on your watch list. And the idea, the concept under token economies, I think it has a chance to change the traditional financial industry. And today, let's go over the white paper and also the app on the website. Okay, before we start, if you haven't subscribed to Aris Talk, please subscribe to Aris Talk and smash the like button. And first, let's start with the white paper. So basically, CULT.DAO is a decentralized investment fund. As a CULT token holder, you can stake the CULT token and you will get a decult. So what does decult do? The top 50 decult owners can submit protocols for investment. DAO Treasury collects fee. So basically, it's a decentralized investment fund. So where does the fund come from? It comes from the transaction. So whenever you trade CULT with other people, the smart contract will charge you a 0.4% tax, and this tax is taken on every transaction and it sends directly to this wallet address called a DAO Treasury collects fee. And then if one of the guardians submit the proposals and the community, you can vote on the proposal, and if the proposal get approved, then this project will receive investment directly from DAO Treasury. Meanwhile, but the project will not receive 100% of the fund. The project will receive 13 ETH. Every investment, 2.5 ETH of a CULT will be sent to a burn wallet. I'll explain why they do this. So once this project gets invested, for this part, let me explain to you by showing you the actual process. On the website, on the top left corner, you see Launch App. When you click Launch App, it actually brings to you a web app. So in this web app, you can see, so basically two things you can do. You can stake CULT and also submit a proposal. And also on the web page, they're showing the current CULT price and the market cap of the CULT project, and also total value locked. Right now, there are over $100 million locked. So basically, most of the people who has CULT token, they choose to lock their token. And on the right side, you can see the treasury balance. Right now, it has over 1,600 ETH. That's a lot of money. And the total fund sent 39 ETH. So that means they already invested a few projects. That's the number of a CULT token has been burned. When you click proposals, you see there is a pending proposals and close the proposals, and also delegate the votes, and also this part. So if you're a guardian, that's what they call it, you need to be the one of the top 50 decult token holders. What it can do, it gives you the right to submit a proposal. If anyone want to raise fund in the CULT.DAO community, this project needs to go to a guardian and convince the guardian to help them submit a proposal. You can see here, you put a name of the project. And what's real interesting is this is a very effective way. You can select the percentage of token you're willing to offer in return for the investment. The maximum you can select is 5%. You can select the rate by day, week, or month. Provide the rate at which the investee token will be swapped for CULT. For example, X% per day, week, or month, or for X number of month. And this part you need to confirm 50% of CULT one swap will be sent to the decult contract and 50% sent to the burn wallet. And also you need to confirm your project will be launched within 12 weeks. And also the last one, you just provide your Ethereum wallet address. Project is really well thought. They literally designed and they literally thought about like every single detail and making the whole process very simple and straightforward. I love it. That's amazing. If you want to stake CULT, you just need to collect your wallet and then just approve it like you do on Uniswap. Let's go to the frequent asked questions. I'll explain why they designed this burn mechanism. So here's the answer. Why do we burn 2.5 ETH of every 15.5 ETH raised? So basically, they want to create an economic model of hyper deflationary. So by force every investment, to burn certain amount of tokens to create a scarcity, which definitely drives the price up. And last thing about today's video, let's look at the trading history. A lot of you have been wondering, price has already went up so many times. Should we join this project right now? Okay, here's my argument. If you look at the trading history, the project launched like 2 months ago. For almost 2 months, there was no transaction volume whatsoever. So basically, it just probably they were testing like internally, and all of a sudden this project exploded and the price went up how many times? I stopped counting. You're probably thinking, oh, now the price is too high. Maybe it's not a good time to join this project. What really doesn't matter is how many times it went up before. It's what can we expect next and what can we expect about this project in the future. So the logic of joining this project is very simple. Like, do you like this project? Are you agree with them? Are you a big fan of decentralized finance? And also, if you look at the market cap, is relatively small at this moment. If this project is truly revolutionary, and if this project really has a chance to change the traditional financial industry, and $200 million market cap is relatively small cap. And more importantly, if you look at the market, which shows all the exchanges already list this project. So far, the largest exchange listed this project is MEXC, which is like, tier 2 exchanges. As this project gets more popular and the community grows, each day the trading volume goes up. As someone who used to work in an exchange, I can guarantee you the biggest exchange like Binance and Coinbase, the business development team are definitely reaching out to CULT.DAO project team. They probably negotiate the terms of conditions of listing this token. If you believe this DAO will keep growing, right now it's actually a really good time considering and joining this project. All right, I think we covered pretty much everything. If you want to know more detail, you can go to the website. And if you enjoyed today's content, please subscribe to Aries Talk, smash the like button and click the bell. If you have any question, please leave a comment. See you next time.